Yesterday we had to finish the class in hurry because of some guests came in for some job, and I had to stop the class. Although that we were in the middle of our lecture and we were doing a question, and we were finding the distance of point C from the we were calculating the distance of C from a line passing through AB, and we have calculated this distance by 3 methods. Okay, and as I said that we can do it with the 6 methods. So now we are going to do it with the method number 4. Method number 4. Okay. Method number 4 is use of cross product. Use of a cross product. Use of cross product. Now we have to calculate this distance, the shortest perpendicular distance of C from line passing through AB. I call this point D, okay? Our objective is to calculate CD, but we know that CD is actually AC sine theta. CD is equal to AC sine theta. And you know, AC sine theta, let me add another quantity, AB into AC sine theta over AB. I have multiplied and divided by AB. That means I have done nothing to the original expression of AC sine theta. But AB multiplied by AC sine theta. And if you know, this is the magnitude of the cross product. AB cross AC, the magnitude of AB cross AC. You know that AB multiplied by AC sine theta is actually the magnitude of the cross product of AC and AB. So this will help me to calculate the shortest perpendicular distance. And this is the most, you can say that most mature method, or is the method used by the people whose practice in further mathematics is too good. Okay, so we move on. We find this, we apply this formula. We know that AB is equal to, we have calculated it earlier, so we'll not waste our time, in doing it again from the ab initio. This is AB. This is AC. 0, -5, and 0. And you know that AB cross AC is equal to plus 15. I will not explain how I obtained these values, okay, and 5. So AC cross AB and the magnitude of AB is equal to, the magnitude of AB is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9 under root, or under root 10. Okay, so, and the magnitude of this is AB cross AC. The magnitude of this is 15 square plus 5 square under root. This thing becomes equal to what? 250, I think. Okay. Let me change the color of my working. I've started from this. The purple working follows after this black formula. Okay. Once I've done this, after black formula follows the purple working. Okay. Okay. And now we can find the apply this formula to find CD. CD is equal to under root 250 divided by under root 10. This thing, it is equal to 5. I think our answer, we have done something wrong. We have done something wrong. CD is equal to AC sine theta. And I introduced AB with it, and then AB multiplied with AC cross products and its magnitude. AC was equal to -5. Okay, and AB was equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. And then let us check our cross product plus 15. Okay. 15 take as 0, 0. And then 5. Yeah, what is 15 square? Can somebody help me to calculate what is 15 square?
225.
225 plus 25, it's 250. So there is no mistake in it. Oh, yeah, I've done mistake over here. This is under root 14. A little mistake deviated me from the original answer. Now, if we simplify it, I think the answer is again 35 over 7, I think. It becomes equal to the same previous value. If we simplify it, 125, yes, 5 over 7 under root 35. I hope you understand it. Please, beta, isme koi question? If you have any questions, please do ask. But if you have any question, please feel free to ask. This is the most mature approach, the shortest possible method. And people who want to get distinction, they follow this method. ठीक है जी?
ठीक है सर.
किसी ने कोई बात पूछनी तो नहीं है? ओके, कितने मेथड हो गए? हाउ मेनी मेथड्स हैव वी हैव डन सो फार? कितने मेथड कर लिए हमने? जी 4 हो गए. आए जी 5वां मेथड, मेथड नंबर 5. I think at the start we calculated the equation of the line. I want the same equation again. I want to use it. Please, beta, you know we calculated the equation of line like this. Please revise it. You know, AB will act as a direction vector. And then, you know, OP is equal to OA plus AP. OP is equal to OA plus AP. And, you know, AP was the product of, was multiple of, you know, AP was lambda times AB. Okay. And then it was inserted over here. And this is how you find the equation of the line, okay? So we move on to okay. Okay. Now the equation of line is this. We have already calculated it. Okay, this is the equation of line. This is also the coordinates of any general point on the line. We can call them as OP. Now 2 minus lambda, comma 2 minus 2 lambda, comma 1 plus 3 lambda. Okay. 2 minus lambda, 2 minus 2 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda. So this, the OP, you know, these are the coordinates of any general point over here. Okay. I calculate the vector PC. PC or CP. We can calculate both. We can either use CP or PC. And then we multiply it. We take the dot product of CP with AB and we equate it equal to 0 because we want that position of P which is right in front of C, and angle CPB or CPA is 90 degree. Okay. So our first job is to find the value of CP. We will first find the expression for CP. CP is equal to OP minus OC. OP is 2 minus lambda, 2 minus 2 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda. And OC is equal to 2 minus 3, 1. And this, when upon simplification, it becomes minus lambda 5 minus 2 lambda and 3 lambda. This is CP. Now the dot product of CP with AB is equal to 0. If I am in search of that P, which is right in front of C on the line, and angle CPB is 90 degrees. Okay. I want that particular value of P. P can have infinite values anywhere on the line, but I want that value of P for which angle CPB is 90, angle CPA is 90. Okay. Now AB is equal to what? We have calculated AB many times. It's minus 1, minus 2, 3. Okay. Now the dot product of AB with CP should be equal to 0. We are in search of that P, which makes an angle of 90 degree with the line. CPB should be equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now we multiply this entry with this with this with this, and equate them equal to 0. Fourteen lambda is equal to 10, and lambda is equal to 5 by 7. So for this value of lambda, we have obtained the vector CP, which is the shortest length of CP. Okay. You know, P can have any length. P can have any length as P is a variable point which moves along the line, okay? These are the various possibilities of CP, but we are interested only in this red vector CP, okay? Okay. Now CP is equal to minus 5 by 7, 5 minus 2, 5 by 7, 3 into 5 by 7. I am inserting the value of lambda in this vector, okay, CP. The value of lambda is calculated by putting the dot product of AB and CP equal to 0. So 25 by 7 and 15 by 7. And the magnitude of CP is minus 5 by 7 whole square plus 25 over 7 whole square plus 15 by 7 whole square. And I think if you simplify it, it will confirm 625 over 49 plus 225 over 49. 225 to 50, it's 875 over 49. And I think it's 25 multiplied by 35 over 49 under root. And it is equal to 5 under root 35 over 7. So we have calculated CP by a totally different method. Okay. I hope you understand this thing. Let me remember, there is yet another method 6, but I leave it to you. You will do it yourself. You will figure out yourself. Okay. So we stop this particular point over here and we stop the recording of this particular point over here. Okay.